As we've been telling you all the week, though, it's not going to be sticking around for long, so you really need to try to enjoy it today if you can.
Yeah, we're going to soar into the 60s this afternoon as we take a look at our rainfall totals from the last 24 hours. About a half an inch to an inch of rain fell from yesterday afternoon into the early part of last night. East Greenwich just a little more than 9/10 of an inch of rain. Providence area, about 6/10 of an inch of rain. And our peak wind gusts were in the range of 40 to 55 miles per hour. This was up at a Borden Flats lighthouse in Fall River, so a little bit of an elevation there with a 55-mile-per-hour wind gust. And our North Scituate camera still a little damp and murky, but the rainfall has moved out. A little touch of fog if you're headed out early this morning. But the one thing you're really going to notice when you step outside is just how warm it is. We're already to 54 in Smithfield, 54 in Providence, 50 New Bedford, and in the upper 40s right along the Rhode Island coastline. We've got our threat tracker in the green for today and the daytime tomorrow. Heads up for tomorrow night and Friday. Winter's back. Got a winter storm watch that's been issued. Heavy snow giving way to sleet and even potentially a little bit of rain. Accumulations are likely with this system and significant travel impacts across New England expected. So we are under a winter storm watch again for almost the entire area. The island's not included, and that in coastal Connecticut and Long Island also right now not in that winter storm watch. So the first piece of all of this is that we've got to get the colder air back into southern New England. That happens as this front comes through at the end of the day today. So there's a couple of spotty showers out ahead of it. Can't rule out an isolated shower as this approaches, but most of the day looking dry with the clouds this morning giving way to late day clearing and those falling temperatures. Let's time it all out for you. So early afternoon, we're hitting our highs for the day. Middle 60s, Smithfield, Providence, upper 60s, Taunton, low 60s in New Bedford. Clouds breaking for some peaks of sunshine at that point. Upper 50s in Westerly and in Newport. The reason why I got a southwest wind most of the day, so keeping you a little bit cooler at the shore with those winds off of the water. Winds will turn to the northwest once our cold front comes through, and you can see 5 o'clock this evening. Skies are mostly clear, but the temperatures already dropping lower to middle 50s at 5 o'clock, then into the 30s for the early part of the night tonight. 20s by the time you wake up tomorrow morning, all with partly cloudy skies, but dry conditions. So partly to mostly cloudy and remaining quiet throughout the day on Thursday. This is 8 o'clock Thursday morning. We're not expecting any weather-related issues from the morning commute right through the evening commute. It's after midnight Thursday night that the snow will start to push in. And so here's the problem. It comes down heavy for several hours Thursday night into Friday morning's commute, and that will lead to the quick accumulations of snow. So right now I'm expecting most of our accumulations to be wrapped up by 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. It's after that that we have a better shot of getting some mixing with or changing over to some sleet, freezing rain and rain. It's all going to hinge on the exact track of this system, how far north that mixing line goes. Where it stays all snow, you're likely to get over 6 inches of snowfall. Where we see the mixing, I do expect it to be a little bit less, but some impacts continuing on into Friday afternoon and evening, especially central and eastern New England, where some lingering snow expected. So snowfall totals, now we may adjust these based on new data that comes in between now and Thursday night, but an early call is for 3 to 6 inches of snow for most of our area. Again, the majority of that happening Thursday night and Friday morning. Where we stay all snow, 6 to 10 inches expected. Where we see more mixing, a little bit less. So right now, a plowable and shovelable snow expected for our area. Saturday, Sunday, just cold, dry weather. In fact, look at the forecast. 60s today. Rest of the week, we're looking at below average high temperatures.